So hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we'll show you how to convert USDC to USDT on Bybit quickly and easily. So let's get started. So first of all, access your account by visiting the Bybit official website. Tap onto this bybit.com. Then you have to log in or sign up using your Gmail or Apple ID. So I'm gonna log in. No, as I don't have an account, I will just go to sign up. You can use your Telegram also. So wait. Now you have to log in. So here you can see you can use welcome gates up to 20 to 10 20 USDT. So first log in, and then you have to go to convert feature, open the desktop, click assets. You will find an option called assets from somewhere here. Find the assets option here at the top right corner. You can see this. You have to tap onto this. Now you have to convert from the menu. You can also deposit or withdraw from here. You can also fund your account. So after that, you have to set up the conversation, like choose the account, select the account where the conversation will take place, then set USDT as the source currency, set USDT as the targeted currency. You can see this, set them up. Input the amount of USDC you would like to convert. Check the real-time exchange rate, then select convert to complete the transaction. Conversations are only available in spot, funding derivatives or inverse derivatives accounts. Make sure funds are in one of these before you begin. So that's it. You have successfully converted USDC to USDT on Bybit in just a few steps. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below for more helpful tutorials on your favorite crypto apps. So see you in the next video.